Good morning, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XM and Future Digibyte OG. So, guys, I see some numbers being hit that I predicted long ago when Matic was at about 250. I had an 88-cent price target that people fucking laughed at me. Are we laughing now? And like I said, I wouldn't even buy it yet. I think we're still coming around. We got to see what's going on. It almost looks like we could be creating something here, but I feel like we got to watch very closely. We're down to 31,006. Oh, 31,009. But once again, we're down to this level. In the 30-minute, we built a head and shoulders pattern that we are at the bottom of now. I told you guys last night that well, if you guys look and seen what I drew on Bitcoin, it's astounding how it followed it. Even the top, I drew 2 points and it actually hit both points. It followed it it almost followed it exactly. You guys watched my drawings last night. XRP, I almost nailed them identical to the patterns. So how do I feel this morning? I feel pretty good. I'm waiting to see if this can continue its way down. But for all intents and purposes, well, these did exactly what we said yesterday. Every single one of them. As you guys know, I went through and drew these out. And they may not have hit exactly as high as I said, but look how they followed down, guys. Exactly. That Shiba. I can go to any one of these. They all follow down my pattern. XDC might not have got exactly as high, but it came down exactly. It missed it by a few cents. Or a few tenths of a cent. But look how it came down and followed the downward pattern. Every single one of these guys, look at these. That takes skill. I went through this entire list for you guys yesterday. And I may not have hit it exactly to the top, but look how fast it followed it back down. That's why I'm the best in the business. Doge, we had the two scenarios. One, this was the second one if it was going to go higher, but this was the actual one we had drawn. That was for all intents and purposes for everybody. But that's how we had it. $88 didn't quite get up as high. It had a nice little candle wick up, but it didn't get up as high as we were thinking. These ones went exactly as high. It just took a little bit longer. But like I said, these ones were coming around, and that's why I had these pushed out farther. I'm very happy with the way that these predictions went. Look at these. That one didn't quite double top as high as I thought, but it certainly pushed around just as far. For Stratus, Matic didn't come up exactly as high, but it came up to about 96 something, but then it came right down. That's the point. These came right down like we were saying. And guys, this is a critical alert. If they go past this level and don't bounce off of this right now, there's no 8 hours from now, right now, in the next 1 to 2 4-hour wicks, they're going to have to come out strong and firing. Otherwise, this is, we've just built some nice structure for another fall. Looks like a small head and shoulders, like I was saying yesterday in the 30-minute. That's why we pulled it out into the 30-minute time frame. We dissected it. We broke down the pattern. I'm the best in the business for a reason. I don't sugarcoat it. I don't compare myself to anybody else. I just know I'm the best because what I say happens every single time. I don't watch other channels. I couldn't give two shits what other people say. If I watch other channels, the reason I don't go around and watching a shitload of channels is because if I watch them, it basically, it dilutes what I know. And then I start seeing what they're saying, and then it starts ruining my own sayings. So I just know what I know, and now we're on the bottom side of that ascending support line. So if we fall down below this, now it's shitstorm time. We could be having a shitstorm this morning. I know a lot of people want to hit 33,000. I said, oh my God, look at this, we're having a run. And then I said yesterday, are we? I said, this just looks like the structure to get back down lower than we were. Now we're right back down to 31.8. What are we going to do from here? This is critical. XRP is about to break back below 60 cents, which is a critical number. We dissected it and we drew these patterns out beautifully for the short term, for the move last night. So T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. If you guys wonder why you should join Tom's Army and get me here full time, I mean, look at these numbers, guys. I did not go through one thing. I didn't even talk. Remember yesterday? I had a 10-minute update where I played a song, a couple songs in the background from Mother Second Choice. And I went through this entire list and drew it out. And it sure as shit almost identically did exactly what I said. I might have missed by a few percent at the top. But coming back down, it's nothing short of spectacular. Look how Bitcoin followed it. That couldn't even have been any closer. So we'll see if it continues down this trajectory. This is going to be a very interesting day because it's either going to show a sign of a reversal and then pop off from here, or it's going to continue down its merry way and finally allow us a buying opportunity where we want. Because that's ugly. This is ugly. So we got to be careful on gold because this could be at a head. This is what we were watching yesterday. I don't know, though. I'm hoping it's breaking out because I'm heavy in commodities, as you know. As I've been, well, I have a lot of physical bullion right now, which I prefer it to go down so I can buy more cheaper. But we're going to have to see how the gold market plays out. I believe they're getting ready to crash all the markets, so I don't think... I mean, they're all looking like they're at that same head... I mean, it doesn't really matter what you take out. They're all in the same patterns, it looks like to me now. So, but gold, silver, platinum, your bullion are still the best bet. Even if it were to crash, you know, year over year, decade over decade, the intrinsic value of your bullion are going to go up. So, T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XM and Future Digibyte OG. You want to stay in front, you want to stay ahead, and you want to stay, you know, one step ahead of what's happening in the markets. You stay and subscribe to this channel. If you want to stay behind, if you don't want to know the facts, and if you want to know the FUD, go watch the run, guys. I'm not going to tickle your balls, but what I will do is I'm going to keep you out ahead, and we're going to make a lot of money together. I'm not a financial advisor. Should you take my advice? No motherfucking way you should. But if you do, base it on what the charts are saying, because I do. I massage the charts. Oh, yeah. And if you're not about that life of massaging the charts, you're not about the life of reading the charts.